So what's up, guys? Anyway, what's up, my beautiful queen Tamara? I want to thank you so much because when I listen to the video.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable. So guys, what one we don't know? Yeah, so what's up? So guys, this video that I'm gonna show you all, it's Annie. I don't know if you guys know her, Annie876. She's on TikTok. I follow her on TikTok, always watching her on TikTok. Over there she always have some positive vibes, and she always a cook and a show you her cooking and them something there, and she always a go on with herself over there. I love how she love her kids them and them something there. So guys, she's here telling her story of her experience growing up, you understand? And people, when me telling us that sometimes a family sometimes are not good sitting them, family are not good sitting sometimes, some of them. So guys, I'm gonna make you listen what Annie said, but before me make you listen, I want to know, like, share, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, put on your post notification so know each time I upload that video. So guys, I'm gonna make you go over and listen to what Annie have to say. The struggle, I'm telling us that the struggle is real, because people go through a lot of people go through a lot, especially with family. Like, imagine your own father make your stepmother put you out after your father land wing you. Boy, may I tell us that the struggle is real. People go through a lot of stuff because some people not talk up, them scared to talk them story. But big up yourself, Annie. Big up yourself. I'm proud of you. I'm love how you just come out and tell your story. Big up yourself, Annie, and continue cooking those lovely food. Always I watch your food, especially on Sunday when you cook and you go on with yourself and you do your thing them. So guys, I'm gonna make you go over and go listen to what Annie have to say. Follow Annie on TikTok. She named Annie876. So guys, I'm gonna let you know. Remember, I said subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, put on your post notification, okay? So let's go watch the video right now.
This morning when I watched the video, like, it bring tears to my eyes. Yeah, like, just listening to you, tears just started to run from my eyes. So thank you so much for your blessing. Thank you for your kindness. You understand what I say? Because when we realize in this world nowadays, you have more followers more than leaders, right? So people would have rather follow more than to lead, right? When time you see negativity, they would have more dwell in the negativity more than the positivity. In this world where we live in right now, people are live with life free. They can tell we exactly what going on in our life, but them cannot tell what going on in a feed them life. You understand what I say? You have this saying where them said, learn to pick the matter out of your eye before you can pick it out of somebody else. You understand? So anyway, I want to share a story with you. I know TikTok stream is so short, but I still want to share my story with you personally, right? So my father have 5 kids. And the 5 pitney them where my father have in give a piece of land. I'm the only one in the family where my father married to my mother. But my father left my mother and go back to my stepmother with the 4 kids. You understand me? So that means saying did have these kids with my stepmother, get my mother pregnant. You understand me? Anyway, my father give us piece of land. Each time kids them in give piece of land. I mean, I tell you, said I start out in a one boardroom ply house. You understand me? My brothers and sisters, them live in a nice big house. Them build up them nice big house. Them a travel go foreign, them travel go Cayman. Me never forgot when me in a me local one room. My local pitney them could have peep out when them come from foreign. They come from foreign with them clothes, them HQ, flossing, enjoying themselves. Me wish the day me could have travel. But me never forgot my brother-in-law. Look for me and say, out of all of the pitney them your father have, why you not travel? Why you not go foreign? And me look for him and me say, me no know. And him turn to me and said to me, say, here what? Me go give you half of your plane ticket money. And you see, if you can't go work the other half, buy your ticket and travel and go overseas. Me go help you. And me I tell you, say, that was the time me go up on the streets. Me go every club where me can hustle my money. When me say me go Negril, me go Kingston, me go Junction St. Elizabeth, me go Limstead, me go Kingston, and me hustle my first plane ticket money to go overseas to help my kids. Guys, like for part 2 for me, please, if you do like this video. Alright guys, so this is part 2 of my story. So anyway, baby girl, as what me tell you, say, right, I was on the street, right, me go from club to club. I remember a night, baby girl, we in our club, right? And me tell her, say, all of the girl them in the club sit down and don't want to go up on the stage. But you see, because me know what me want to accomplish, you understand what me I say? Me I tell her, say, me drink some rum, and me get my vibe together, and me go up on the stage, and me I tell her, say, oh, me dance from top to bottom, me flick from floor to floor, and me I tell her, say, I be energy in the club, the man, then just a dash the money for me, so. You don't know, say, one girl in the club begs with me, just because of the vibe what me bring to the club. Anyway, me no pay that no mind. You see, between the morning, me have the money where me could have buy me plane ticket, people. Me book me plane ticket for go overseas. Anyway, pan the road, me pack my bag. Pan the road, me reach a airport. When time me in the plane, me never did know how to lock my belt. Me never did know how to lock my seat belt in the plane, you know. Me I tell her, say, oh, me swallow my pride. And me turn to the white man beside me and me say, sir, could you please lock this for me? And he said, that's okay. That is the first time me ever see seatbelt lock in a plane, baby. So when me went overseas, it was my sister there in the same country. And when time overseas with my sister threw me out for a Vinciation boy. A boy will come from Vinci. My sister threw me out for. Me depend my own, me depend the streets. But Father God bless me. When me say Father God bless me, when me come back at Jamaica, it is the first time me ever drive up a moving truck with bare furniture in it. When me say me have me settee, me have me dresser, me have me eating table, me have me ceiling fan, everything me could have buy one time and put in a truck. You see, when me I move that in my house, my stepmother stand up one side and fold her hands and I look for me. Yeah. When me in the yard, me in a one room, and my brothers and sisters them in a them nice house, and me started to build up my house because me want my kids them live comfortable too. My stepmother look for me when time me a build on my veranda, me I put up the baluster them. You understand when me I say the beam them a go up, the column them a go up. Me I expand the house. You understand me? Me I put in a eating table so my kids them can sit down decent round a eating table. And my stepmother come on the house where I work on and say, listen to me. Me grow you and you pass the age of 16-year-old. You need to leave and go find somewhere else for yourself. You're a big woman. You understand what I say? You see when my stepmother said that to me? The whole of my belly bottom. Alright guys, so this is part 3 of the story. And sweetheart, thank you so much for your love, your kindness, and your blessing. Big up to this person right now when I talk on my page. Right? So anyway guys, so as I said, right, my stepmother come and say me have to left off her land. You understand me? Because she done grow me already and me past the age of 16 years old. When she said that to me, me not lie, it dig out my belly bottom. Because people, me explain to you. Me did live in a one boardroom. And I tell you, say, my kids them used to dip on the ground. When you cook your food, you pity them sit down on the ground and eat them food. And I always want to change my life for my people them can live a better life where they can go on a eating table, they can sleep in a comfortable bed. That is a mother's dream for them child to be comfortable, right? And when my stepmother come and tell me, say, oh, she don't grow me already, and I pass the age of 16 and I have to come off our land. I take up my phone and I call my father. My father the day came on at the time. And I said, Daddy, you don't know, say, mommy I run me out and say, I have to come out our yard. My father said, hold on, me go call you back, My father, like, he make a phone call, whatever. Me hear him call me back and say to me, say, baby girl, I'm a woman, and I done my woman already, right? So she say, if you leave, you have to leave. I said, me not lie to you. There is no words. Me can't explain to you that feelings. Me have to go up on the house and tell the workman themselves to stop work. People, me never did have a veranda. That would be my first veranda me have in life. Baluster, everything they up there. You understand me? Sand and cement and steel. Want to know, say, a whole heap of money that you spend. And me have to go up on the house and tell the workman themselves to stop work. When me get so angry, me take me hammer and me start beat the column them just to get back out me steal from out of them. Me can't make them the column they dry up with them they steal they with how much money me spend. Me have to beat it out. Me never forgot one Rasta guy what we call Rasta. And him come and take the sledge from me and start beat the column to get out back. Me steal them from outside. And me I tell us, me cry and walk out of the yard and come out and go look a piece of land. Me buck up on a girl and she show me one look a piece of capital land. A 2 house me bill from me the pan God land. When people are talk about your pum pum and talk about the hard earned work where you work in life. You understand what me I say? A 2 house me bill. And if me can walk away from 2 house, me can walk away from anything else in life. Because people walk away from bigger than that. You hear me I tell you? Some never have the strength them go hang themselves. And me I tell you say, oh, me pack up my bag and me walk out of the yard. Me pull down the house where me